hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.
Isha Experimentov may be a small science center, but it is a great one. It belongs on the top of the league. The center develops original exhibits, ways of education, ideas and directions. All of this is due to two elements: to its founding director, who is a research physicist, an educator, and above all, a person with a charming and outstanding sense of humor, and to its talented and most dedicated staff. The Isha gives birth to the Znanstival every year. It converts the heart of Ljubljana to an enormous Isha by its family-like staff and by a growing clan of some of the best science demonstrators from all around the globe. And the Znanstival gave birth to Inspire, training able and young demonstrators from other countries in the art of inspiring people through science demonstrations. Last and not least is Baby Hishka. All of the above is orchestrated by Micha, who is a real superconductor.
Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.